Hello everybody, thank you guys for checking out the Optimize Web Media YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be going over 10 AI tools that can be used in digital marketing in the year 2024. And so hopefully this video can provide you guys with some new tools that you guys can use to improve some of your processes and systems that you have internally to harness the power of AI and help you achieve your goals quicker. And I would say that each of these platforms will be very specific in the areas that you can actually improve your systems utilizing AI. And so we'll go through each one of them one by one. And so hopefully you guys find value in today's video. If you guys do, then please feel free to like this video. And yeah, if you're using any of these tools in the year 2024 or even beyond, then yeah, mention in the comment section which tools, your AI tools that you're currently using, right? So with that said, let's get straight into it. I'm going to share my screen so that you guys can see the platforms that I'm kind of walking through. And so there we go. So the very first kind of tool is called Jasper AI, Jasper. And it's a tool specifically for copywriting. And it's one of those things where before you had to hire a content writer, a blog writer, and it can be quite costly for a company, right? Especially for a small business that wants to utilize blog writing as part of their overall SEO strategy, right? And so you would actually have to vet a lot of copywriters and look at their portfolio, and sometimes they are able to deliver what they're able to deliver. Sometimes they're not. Sometimes they underdeliver, or their timeline is just so long that it just doesn't work within your current kind of setting within your organization. And so using a tool called using Jasper AI, then you can actually harness the power of AI to generate new content for copywriting purposes for a variety of things. And so you can use it for kind of marketing copy, help to create brand content for your website, gives you also analytics and insights. There's also an enterprise component to kind of option. But yeah, you can really harness AI to utilize it. So it's definitely being used by a lot of companies. So whatever you need done, then Jasper can do it. Integrated campaigns, blog writing, copywriting, as mentioned. Essentially, what you can do is you can actually input in a topic that you want to write about, the type of kind of brand and voice that you want it to write in. If you want it first person, third person, and then if you can give it an example of other blog posts, then you can try to mimic that. And so definitely be ensure that you have a good cadence with respect to blog topic writing. If you want to focus on a particular keyword for SEO purposes, write it. You definitely need to quality check it and make sure, and you can actually refine it. And the more kind of inputs you give it, then it just improves and gets better at it, right? And so you might have to do it a couple rounds for it to get good. Copywriting, SEO to boost organic traffic, content strategy, level up your content strategy with AI-powered content repurposing, optimization, collaboration, social media content, email marketing, integrated campaigns. So there's a lot of applications that you can actually utilize this particular tool for your marketing purposes. And so the site has a lot of great resources that you can use to learn how to use it, all the different prompt libraries, browser extensions, AI templates, Jasper foundations, to get foundational knowledge and skills needed to leverage Jasper for any piece of content that you want to create. There's a lot of great use cases with respect to prompts. So it gives you a lot of great insights about actually how to leverage. So a lot of great applications, as you can see here, everything from copywriting, as mentioned, generating influencer agreements, Pinterest board ideas. I think I saw TikTok as well, SMS marketing, blog writing. So it's just a lot of great things that you can actually leverage it for. Automating Twitter growth, automating TikTok channel growth, LinkedIn growth, Instagram growth. I haven't utilized the social media component, but I definitely use it for the copywriting, the content writing, and the blog writing aspect. And I would say that in my experience, you have to give it enough inputs, and then once it gets to that sweet spot, you can actually use it to generate content at your disposal. And if the strategy is that if you want to leverage blog posts for improving organic SEO, then and if that requires pushing out blog posts several times a month, you can do it at scale. Whereas if you have either an in-house or freelance copywriter, content writer, the timeline in terms of delivery of new content may take longer. All right, the next one is Notion AI. So Notion is a great product. People utilize it to stay productive, efficient, and you can leverage it to keep your team organized. You can have a wiki within it. A lot of great things you can utilize it, but Notion actually integrated an AI component where knowledge answers ideas one click away, and so you can actually utilize it to really hone in on kind of streamlining processes using AI on the Notion platform. And so there is a cost to that for sure, but if you find that you get the benefits of utilizing AI to improve the time to complete certain things on the Notion platform, then it actually may be a good idea. You can ask Notion AI various things to really build out the Notion platform for you within your organization. When you go to the help section, there's a guide on AI within the AI category, and there's a lot of great knowledge and information that you can use in order to really get the most out of AI within the Notion platform. It is mainly a productivity platform. So Surfer SEO is for SEO content writing, kind of similar to Jasper. You can generate articles to really improve the organic aspect of your website, to improve the organic traffic. And so about 150,000 content creators, SEOs, and agencies are currently using it. You can really create content at scale, and it's really important because you want to be able to drive the right traffic to your website, and so that means creating high quality content that takes into account your core customer audience, target market, and avatar, and then being able to write in a voice, brand and voice that speaks to your audience, and it's natural language, and it will not get dinged for being an AI generated content piece, right? And so similar to the other platforms, there's a lot of great tools and resources that you can leverage to really understand how you can integrate Surfer SEO as a way to improve your overall AI, kind of leveraging AI for content. I wanted to quickly go into pricing for each of them, and so just so then you guys can see how much it would cost. The Jasper AI is the creator version, the initial 1 seat, 1 brand voice, access to Jasper Chat, access to SEO mode, use AI everywhere is with the browser extension is $39 a month. The Pro version is $59 a month. You get a little bit more capabilities, including an AI image generation and editing tools. Then there's a business, which is pretty much the full meal deal, and there's custom pricing on that. Notion, you can get a lot of on the free plan actually, and so that's why even a lot of small businesses utilize it to just kind of build the foundational pieces of to improve the productivity within your organization if you have a small team. And as your team grows, then you require more capabilities, and you would actually increase it. So the price is quite reasonable, $10 a month for the plus version per seat. Business is $15 a month. Awesome. So the Surfer AI, the pricing on that is the essential plan is $89 per month. Content audit, top explorer, $129 for the scale package. It has obviously more team members that you can invite to the platform. Scale AI for agencies and teams looking to scale up with AI, $219 per month, and then obviously there's an enterprise version as well. So Lexica AI art is you can use for blog thumbnails. You can generate AI type images and use it to create thumbnails for your blog posts and images and whatnot. I believe this is a free platform, so that's pretty cool. Next one is called Originality.ai. It was previously called Content at Scale, and so it's for generating another tool for generating SEO blog posts. And so a really great alternative to Jasper AI, and so this one kind of gives you a breakdown of kind of the pros and cons to Originality.ai. The pricing for that is pay as you go, $60 for 6,000 credits. Pro version, $14.95 USD per month, and $136.58, $136.58 per month for the enterprise. Originality.ai is their accurate AI checker, plagiarism checker, and fact checker. Lets you publish with integrity. So they provide a complete tool set that helps website owners, content marketers, writers, and publishers hit publish with integrity in the world of generative AI. Initially when OpenAI ChatGPT came out, and then people were really leveraging it to generate content. But the problem with that is that you have AI generated content, and it may be outdated content too, and it may have content that other people are just basically copy and pasting into the blog post. So you definitely don't want to do that, right? You want to do it with integrity. So Originality.ai can be a tool for you for that. So Writer.com is a content writing for teams. So another tool for teams. Transform work with full stack generative AI. So another tool that you can leverage using AI within your team setting. There's AI Studio, Knowledge Graph, Trust and Security. You can create and embed AI into any business processes, analyze and govern. It's used in industries such as financial services, healthcare, life sciences, e-commerce, and retail technology. Price for that is $18 per user per month, or enterprise for custom pricing. So you get pre-built apps, 35 plus pre-built apps on the team plan, governance, and min tools. So, all right. So the next one is Undetectable.ai. So it's an AI detector and a humanizer to really help rewrite AI content that humanizes the content as well. It's rated #1 best AI detector by Forbes. So if you're using AI to generate content at scale, then this might be a good tool to have in order to ensure that your content is has that human aspect, and it doesn't just seem like an AI robot generated content. So a lot of search engines are kind of, I believe, dinging content out there on the search engine because it could actually deteriorate the overall user experience for content on the website. So instead of only being a ChatGPT detector, their tool integrates with both free and paid AI detectors, so it will recognize text from GPT-3, GPT-4, Claude, Bard, and any other AI writing tool. So there's a lot of great reviews from reputable sources on the benefits of using it. It also supports multiple languages. Really great, I think, tool to leverage if you're really trying to use AI at scale and you don't want to get hit hard by the search engine algorithms. $14.99 per month for 15,000 words per month. You can get 250 free words and cancel at any time. Limited time offer, $5 per month for the yearly, 50% off, and for business, there is a custom pricing on that. Full story digital experiences. So yeah, it is a tool for surface user sentiment with behavioral data. So a lot of data direct integration, and it utilizes AI now to help improve the overall processes for this particular tool. I haven't used this product before, but basically, yeah, you can build AI ready models in a variety of these applications out there: Salesforce, Analytics, Google Analytics, Cloud, and much more. And so this, I would say, probably pertains more to the enterprise or mid-sized companies. DataDirect, essentially you need to get a demo or set an inquiry to understand, the different plans and applications and pricing. So here's a breakdown of the different specs that you get for each of the packages. And the last one is Zapier. It's a tool for automating tasks. It now integrates AI to help give you automation superpowers. And essentially, what you can do is it's kind of like you can connect two applications through API and automate certain features by giving it triggers. And so now you can actually utilize AI to really bring forth, to streamline a lot of processes and automate processes and mitigate any bottlenecks within those processes, right? And so it's trusted by over 2.2 million companies worldwide. A lot of large companies here get started with these best practices. A lot of great insights in terms of the different types of integrations that you do: draft email replies to customers using AI, OpenAI, talk to leads 24/7 with custom sales chatbots, supercharge your support with AI-powered FAQ bots, turn Slack messages into prioritized task lists, and use AI to generate relevant content ideas. So a lot of great, integrations that you can do. There's just so much you can do to automate a lot of the processes, and so there's a lot of great apps that it can integrate with. And so let's quickly go into the pricing. So depending on the workflow, you can increase the amount of tasks, and that would obviously update the pricing. You can toggle by saving on a yearly price plan or pay monthly. And so there's a free plan, and that only gives you a specified number of integrations and zaps is what they call it, for those automated flows and then workflows. And then professional, $41 per month. Team on 42 and 89 cents per month. And so yeah, if you think about it, if you have to do this manually within your staff team, and it takes time and away from your team to do these particular workflow tasks that utilizing several platforms, automating those platforms using Zapier can definitely save you a ton of money within your organization as well, and streamline and mitigate roadblocks within your systems and processes of your organization. With that said, I think that's it for now. I hope that this video was helpful for you and giving you the list of some of the top AI tools in digital marketing in 2024. As mentioned, if you find value out of today's video, then please feel free to like this video and put something in, mention the tools AI tools that you're currently using in the comments, and we'll try to read and respond to each of those your comments. And also feel free to subscribe to our channel to get notified of all of our upcoming future videos. With that said, thank you guys again very much for tuning in. Until next time, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye now.